Let's mosey on into the kitchen, shall we? You are going to love this spicy, savory, and utterly delicious dish, which is a staple in Sichuan cuisine, known for its bold flavors and generous use of garlic and chili peppers. Today we're going to walk through this simple recipe that brings this classic Chinese dish right to your kitchen. Go ahead and grab a medium head of cabbage weighing approximately 1 pound and chop it bite-sized pieces. Heat a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of vegetable oil and stir-fry the cabbage until it is slightly softened but still crisp. This should take about 5 minutes. Now remove the cabbage from the pan and set it aside. So now it's time for the aromatics. Add 2 tablespoons of the remaining oil to the pan and saute. 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, and 2 thinly sliced onions until they're fragrant. This process should take about 2 minutes. If you're not going for the vegetarian version, then you can add half a pound of ground pork to the pan. Alternatively, mushrooms can be a great substitute for a vegetarian. Cook until the meat or mushrooms are browned, breaking it up with a spoon. This should take about 5 minutes. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of doubanjiang and 1 teaspoon of crushed Sichuan peppercorns, mixing well to coat the meat and aromatics. Allow this to cook for another 2 minutes. It's time to reintroduce the cabbage. Return it to the pan and add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of chili oil, 1 cup of broth. Stir well to incorporate all the ingredients. Let the mixture simmer for roughly 5 minutes for the flavors to meld together. To finish off, stir in a cornstarch slurry, a concoction of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of water to thicken the sauce and continue cooking for about 2 minutes. Season with salt to taste, and there you have it. Your Sichuan Mapo cabbage is ready to serve. Serve it hot, sprinkled with extra green onions or chili oil if preferred. This dish strikes the perfect equilibrium of spicy, savory, and slightly sweet, offering a genuine pleasure for your taste buds. Remember, the key to a great Mapo cabbage is in the balance of flavors. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a novice in the kitchen, this recipe is sure to impress. Happy cooking!